In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove silence in CapCut. If you've recorded a talking head video or a voiceover, you've probably got a few pauses or ums that slow things down. CapCut has a quick way to find and remove those without manually scrubbing through the entire timeline. Here's how to do it clearly and efficiently. Start by opening your project in the CapCut editor. Look at your timeline at the bottom and click the specific video clip where you want to clean up silence. Selecting the right clip first makes sure the next tools only affect what you intend, especially helpful if your project has multiple layers or B-roll. Next, move to the top left toolbar and click Captions. This opens the Captions panel. In that panel, make sure you're on Auto Captions. This is important because the silence removal relies on CapCut analyzing your speech. Within Auto Captions, locate the option called Identify Filler Words. You'll see a toggle to the right of it. Turn that toggle on. This tells CapCut to look for common hesitations and pauses that usually indicate dead air. Now, go to the bottom right of the Captions panel and click Generate. CapCut will begin analyzing your clip, first detecting whether there's speech, and then identifying filler words and the quiet bits around them. The analysis time depends on the clip length, so give it a moment to finish. Once CapCut is done, look to the top right panel. You should see a list of the silent parts it found. This panel gives you a clear overview so you don't have to hunt through the waveform. If you want those silences removed, click Remove at the bottom right of that top right panel. CapCut will automatically trim or cut out those sections, tightening your pacing without you lifting a razor tool. A couple of quick tips as you review the results. Listen back to the edited section to make sure the timing feels natural. If a sentence now feels rushed, you can always undo and rerun the process or manually nudge an edit point. This feature works best with clean audio where your voice is louder than background noise. If your recording is very quiet or has heavy music, the detection might be less accurate. And that's it. By selecting your clip, using captions with auto captions, enabling Identify Filler Words, clicking Generate, and then removing the detected silences from the top right panel, you can streamline your video in just a few clicks and keep your audience engaged from start to finish.